You have probably heard it 100 times from well-meaning family members. You are pacing the floor, your baby is crying, you are completely overwhelmed, and someone says, "You need to calm down. The baby can feel your stress." And instantly your chest tightens. Not only are you exhausted and anxious, but now you feel an overwhelming wave of guilt. You think, I am hurting my baby with my own anxiety. I am failing. I need you to listen to me very carefully. Telling a new mother not to be stressed is like telling her not to breathe. It is biologically impossible. Yes, your baby can feel your stress, but today we're going to look at the actual neuroscience of what that means. Because feeling your stress is not damaging them, it's actually presenting them with the most important neurological lesson of their entire life. Welcome back to Baby Mind Chronicles. Today, we are decoding the cortisol transfer. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how your baby reads your nervous system, what mirror neurons are, and why attempting to be a perfectly calm mother is actually working against human biology. How exactly does a tiny infant who doesn't even know what a mortgage or a sleep schedule is know that you are stressed? They don't read your mind, they read your physiology. Your baby's brain is equipped with something called mirror neurons. These are specialized brain cells that are designed to copy the emotional state of the primary caregiver. Because a baby cannot regulate their own temperature, heart rate, or emotions, they use your body as a biological compass. When you get stressed, your breathing shifts from deep belly breaths to shallow chest breaths. Your heart rate subtly increases, the micro muscles in your jaw and shoulders tighten. Your baby feels this physical shift instantly. Their mirror neurons fire and their brain says, "Mom's heart is racing. Mom's muscles are tight. There must be a predator nearby. We need to go into survival mode." This triggers a release of cortisol, the stress hormone, in your baby's body. This is why when you are frantically trying to get them to sleep because you're running late, they suddenly become wide awake and rigid. They're matching your biological frequency. This sounds scary, right? This is the exact science that makes mothers feel so guilty. But this is only half of the story. When mothers hear about cortisol transfer, they try to do something very dangerous. They try to fake it. You paste a smile on your face, you force your voice to sound sweet, but inside your heart is pounding and you want to scream. Here's a fascinating piece of neuroscience. Babies are brilliant lie detectors. When your facial expressions and your tone of voice do not match your internal heart rate and muscle tension, it creates a phenomenon called emotional dissonance. To a baby's developing brain, this is terrifying. Their mirror neurons are reading danger, but your face is pretending everything is fine. This confusion actually causes more cortisol to flood their system than if you were just authentically stressed. You don't have to be a perfectly zen, emotional robot to raise a healthy baby. In fact, you shouldn't be. The goal of parenting is not to protect your baby from ever experiencing stress. Stress is a normal, unavoidable part of being human. The actual goal is to teach their nervous system how to recover from it. This brings us to the most beautiful concept in developmental psychology: rupture and repair. Let's say you hit your limit. You feel the stress take over. You're crying, your baby is crying, the nervous systems have ruptured. Instead of hiding it or feeling guilty, you use a technique called co-regulation. You sit down with them, you say out loud in your normal, authentic voice, "Mommy is feeling really overwhelmed right now. My heart is beating so fast." They don't understand the vocabulary, but they hear the honesty in your tone. Then you regulate yourself out loud. You take a deep, loud, exaggerated breath in through your nose and a long, slow sigh out through your mouth. You physically drop your shoulders, you loosen your jaw. As your heart rate slowly comes down, your baby's mirror neurons track that descent. You are physically pulling their nervous system back to safety with you. By experiencing your stress and then experiencing you calming yourself down, your baby is building an incredibly resilient vagus nerve. You're teaching their brain, yes, we get stressed, but we also know how to come back to peace. A baby who is never exposed to a mother's stress never learns the biological mechanism of how to calm down. The next time someone tells you, don't stress, the baby can feel it, I want you to remember this video. Your anxiety is not poison. Your tears are not damaging your child. You are a human being who is doing one of the hardest, most physically and emotionally demanding jobs in the world, usually on very little sleep. We need to stop demanding that mothers act like peaceful monks. Your baby doesn't need a perfect robot. They need you, the real, messy, deeply loving you. Wherever you are watching this right now, whether you're trapped under a sleeping baby or hiding in the bathroom for 2 minutes of silence, let's do a physical repair together. Unclench your jaw, drop your shoulders away from your ears, take a deep breath in, and a long, slow sigh out. You are a safe place for your baby, even when you're stressed. Give yourself grace today. The village is proud of you.